Are you looking for an encoder for the port and offshore industry, which works in safety application, that is also compact? Then I have the right solution to your problem here. Welcome to SIKO. My name is Matthias Roth. I'm the manager of the business unit Mobile Automation. And today I present to you our new rotary encoders for the port and offshore industry, the WV3600MO and the WV3600MOR. The increasing demand for automation solution in the port and offshore industry bring always new challenges with it. Also in this industry, the demand for compact sensor solution getting higher and higher. But without to be able to make a compromise in terms of robustness and reliability. With a diameter of just 36 mm, the new Absolut Multiturn rotary encoder WV3600MO and WV3600MOR are one of the most compact solutions on the market. Thanks to the non-contact magnetic measuring principle and the mechatronic multi-turn system, these two new rotary encoders can measure a range up to 65,536 revolutions, so 16-bit. And of course, we do not use a battery, which means that these two encoders can work maintenance-free for years, even under the lowest temperatures. With the WV3600MOR, there is also a safety version available. This SEAL2 PLD certified Absolut Multiturn encoder is the perfect solution for your safety critical application in the port and offshore industry. Robustness and reliability are two of the most important features of these two new rotary encoder. The high salty spray resistance, high shaft loads up to 200 Newton, high shock and vibration resistance, and the protection category of IP67 and IP6K9K are just some of the robust features of these two new rotary encoders. In addition to the CAN-OPEN and the SIA-J1939 interface, there is also CAN-OPEN safety available for safety critical application. Furthermore, these two new rotary encoders can be ordered with a M12 connector or a cable outlet. Beside of these, there is also a Deutsch connector and an AMP SuperSeal connector available. The electrical connection can be chosen either radial or in an axial way. Please click on the link in the video description for more information about our new rotary encoder for the port and offshore industry. I would be really happy if you would have further interest in this product. Do not hesitate to contact me if you need a test sample or if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.